As we have already discussed that what would happen if the earth suddenly stopped rotating in our previous video. So in this video we are going to discuss about that what would happen if earth rotation is reversed. So guys, this is Mohit and you are watching Know the Facts. So let's get started. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe so that we can reach to our aim of 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So now let us start. Since the formation of Earth, it has been revolving west to east on its axis. If one day our planet started rotating in the opposite direction, then it would no longer be the Earth as we know it. As we all know that the speed of Earth is very high and it is approx 460 meter per second, which is 1509 feet per second, which is very high speed. A sudden change of direction would cause disastrous wind and massive waves to gather. This abnormal weather condition would wipe out nearly everything above the ground. So let us just skip over this destroying transition. Imagine our planet reversed its direction billions of years ago, just like our neighboring rock Venus. You had seen the sun and moon rises in the west and sets in the east, and you had never believed that the Sahara could be a desert, all because this new rotation would generate entirely new climatic conditions across all continents. This new rotation would change the winds and ocean current, and that would shift the planet's climate entirely. Oceans work as a global climate controller, distributing the sun's heat all over the earth. They divert moisture from the driest, hottest barren and carry rainfall to the thorny jungles. If the earth reversed its rotation, one very important climate-driven current called AMOC would disappear from the Atlantic Ocean. Instead, a different current would surface in the Pacific and became responsible to distributing heat around the globe. This new current would make the desert retire from Africa and Eurasia. You have to go to the other side of planet to some quad binking on the golden landscape, more especially to Brazil. The humid expanse of Amazon would end up as arid sand dunes. The US would also get a very arid in the south, but none of the new barrens would be anywhere close to how dry the Sahara Desert is now. There had been much more vegetation covering the planet. Hey, that's more oxygen for all of us. But those living in Western Europe would be in a for a shock. The Pacific current would push a lot of cloud water that way, bringing freezing winter to the region, Russia. But those living in Western Europe would be in a for a shock. The Pacific current would push a lot of cloud water that way, bringing freezing winds to the region. Russia, on the other hand, would warm up and take a break from being the coldest country on the earth. Life on the reverse spinning earth would be different too. In the ocean, cyanobacteria would dominate over other phytoplankton species. Cyanobacteria were one of the first inhabitants of the earth. Billions of years ago, the oxygen pumping cyanobacteria invented photosynthesis and transformed our earth's atmosphere. Maybe having so much more cyanobacteria on Earth would utter the atmosphere even more, filling it with too much oxygen for us to even exist. But all these things are not going to happen as the Earth is not going to reverse its rotation. So this was only a hypothesis. Hope you are enjoying our series of hypotheses. If you want more such video, then do mention in the comment section below, and if you are having any queries or feedback, then do mention in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends and family so that they can also know about this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.